Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to change your keyboard language layout on your MacBook. Okay, so for this guys, you can follow this easy and simple method. In the left side corner of your screen, click on Apple icon. From here, open the system settings. In the system settings, scroll down at the end, open the keyboard. In the keyboard, in the input sources, just click on edit button like this. Okay, and here if you want to add any language, just click on plus button. Here you can get the lots of different languages which you want to add to your keyboard. So for example, I want to add the Korean language on my keyboard. I am selecting this and just select add button. That's it. Okay, from here guys, select the Korean keyboard and then click on done. That's it. Now your keyboard language was changed, keyboard layout was changed. When you type anything anywhere on your MacBook, now it will type on Korean language. If the language is not selecting, so in the right side corner of your screen here you can get language input option. From here you need to select your language of your keyboard like this. Okay, now you type anything from your keyboard, it will type in your keyboard language, as you can see guys. Okay, so this is the way to change your keyboard layout or keyboard language on your MacBook. So that's for today guys, a short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.